is Casey and welcome back to my channel. Today I am really excited because I am going to be showing you guys the new collection from the Main Choice called Proceed with Caution. It's so dope. Do you see the gear? Look at the shirt. Look at the shirt. Okay, see the hand? They have 5 new products in the collection, and what I think is so awesome is that most of these products are multi-use, okay? So you have a 4-way conditioner that's a co-wash, a leave-in, a detangler, a rinse out. You have a pre-poo and a post-poo mask. Like, I've never even heard of a pre-poo mask. Like, I'm really excited to try this. You have a 2-way gel. Like, there's so many cool products in this collection, and I cannot wait to show you guys each and every product and how they work. Before we begin, I just want to say shout out to the Main Choice for partnering up with me in this video. I am really excited. And yeah, guys, before we begin, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here is my hair, okay? My hair is disgusting, it's dirty, and every time I wash my hair the night before, I always section it off in twists and detangle, so that way my wash day process is a lot easier and I lose less hair. So we're going to start off with the Stop the Damage pre or post poop mask. This is infused with biotin and vitamin A, C, D, and E. It has chia seed oil, and chia seed oil strengthens, smooths, and repairs the hair strands, which I thought was really cool. And this is actually gentle enough to use on an everyday basis if you are someone who washes your hair every single day. Maybe you have a TWA. I really like this product. My hair felt really soft after washing this out, so I think it is an amazing pre-mask. I haven't tried it as a post mask, but I'm pretty sure it works just the same. I am just going to smooth this out each section, and pretty much I want to end up with 6 jumbo twists. This just makes my wash day process a lot easier. It's all about creating less work for yourself. I feel like every time I do a hair mask and I apply it all over without actually sectioning my hair, it just creates more tangles, more frustration, and just a longer wash day process. So I am going to put this conditioning cap on, and if you are applying this with heat, then you want to have it on for about 25 minutes. If you don't have heat, you want to leave it on for about an hour. So now we are in the shower. Ignore the little shadow in the corner. That was my ring light, which I did not know was in the way. So I'm just rinsing out this pre-mask, and my hair feels really good. My curls look good, and I got all that nasty, dirty flakiness out of my head. Now it's time to go in with the Slippery When Wet shampoo. This also has Japanese cherry and chia seed oil, and it's made for all hair types. It's going to basically gently cleanse your hair and restore the moisture back into your hair. So it's not a stripping shampoo. Your hair doesn't feel like you don't have any natural oils in it. It feels really good, but my hair was really clean. As you guys can see at the beginning of the video, my hair was filthy from a previous wash day that had just flakes all throughout my head. I just did not enjoy that at all, but this got all of that out of my hair without any of the stripping. So now we can go in with the 4-way conditioner, which I thought was so cool. So this is a co-wash, a leave-in, a detangler, and a rinse out. So I'm actually using this as my leave-in. I don't really do rinse out conditioners often, but if you are somebody that uses a rinse out conditioner, then this is also perfect for you. So I'm actually just going to be applying this in the shower because I have low porosity hair. So basically what that's going to do, the steam in the shower, because the water is pretty hot, is going to open the cuticles and allow this product to penetrate the hair strands even better. So you want to make sure you get them ends, girl, okay? The ends be crusty, and we're just going to section it off and put it away. So now we are out the shower. We still have this leave-in in, and we are going to start applying the Look Both Ways Hair and Edge Gel. Do you guys see the consistency? Oh my god. Okay, so basically you see that in the packaging there is a divider. One side is a edge gel and the other side is a hair gel. Okay, it's a 2-in-1 situation. This thing is amazing. First of all, it smells so good. So because I am doing a wash and go, I'm just taking small sections, detangling, and then applying the hair gel side just throughout my hair strands, just rubbing it in with my hands and just letting my curls do what it wants. I'm not really stressing too much about getting my hair super defined. However, as you guys can see, this product did definitely do that, okay? So I also noticed that if you apply a little bit of the edge gel on top of the hair gel, that's going to get your hair crazy defined. So I actually did that in the front, and now I'm going to take the edge gel and just lay these edges a little bit. I don't have baby hair, but you know, I like to pull a little edge back here and there. It has amazing hold. This is definitely on my top of edge gel. So now after my hair is dry, this is actually a couple of hours later after diffusing, or you can air dry it. I'm going to take the Dangerous Luster and Shine Illuminator. This is going to help protect your hair and just combat moisture loss and give your hair an additional shine, and that is it. Alright guys, and that is going to conclude today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love how my hair looks. It has such a pretty curl to it and a great hold, might I add. I just want to let you guys know, like I do in all my hair videos, what my favorite product was in the collection, and I would say it has to be between these two, the Stop the Damage Pre and Post Poo mask. I felt like this was really hydrating. It smelled really good too, and I just thought it was so interesting that you can apply a hair mask before you actually start your wash day process. So I really like this. This might be amazing for my detangling the night before like I usually do, so I really love this. And I have to shout out this product as well. This is the Look Both Ways Hair and Edge Gel. One, it gave me amazing definition and hold, and two, I just thought it was so cool that you can have an edge control gel as well as a hair gel just divided in half. This makes it really convenient while storing away. You don't have to worry about having two different hair products. And I love the edge gel side more just because I feel like it gave me even more definition and also great hold. You guys know I don't really lay my edges that often, but I like the little hold it gave me right here. I like that. And it also isn't like that really hard to get consistency like edge controls typically have, you know, when it's like really tough to kind of scoop up. This had a really nice jelly consistency. It was pretty tacky, so I already knew that it was going to clump my curls perfectly together, so I really enjoyed those two products the most. I will definitely recommend for you guys to check out the Proceed with Caution collection by The Mane Choice. I think it is a really dope collection. I love the packaging. I love the whole just aesthetic of it all, and the products work great as well. And the smell, I love the smell. It smells like lemon drops to me. I don't know. My boyfriend was like, I opened the door and I can smell your hair, and I'm like, that's a good sign. That's a real good sign. So thank you, The Mane Choice, once again for partnering up with me on this video. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye.